remember that ramp I showed you earlier? Well, for some reason, probably because I love new experiences and will try about anything once, I decided to do it. And that is the bike that is going to take me there. Rotem is a little bit worried for me, but I'm gonna try to make her proud.
Please don't fall. No, seriously. Where can it go wrong? Can you take us through it?
It can definitely go wrong on the ramp, like I could miss it. That would be a problem. If I don't get enough speed, I could fall into the ditch there. Ooh. So that would also be a problem.
So are you scared?
Yes.
That
but
makes sense.
I'm the type of guy that likes to face my fears and try new things and hopefully succeed.
Well, last time you tried something new, can you show us what happened?
This happened.
Yeah.
Nice good scrapes going on because of the scooters that we did in the Yosemite Mountains. Oh,
he's worried. I mean,
he's worried for me.
It's a hole there, so you have to be fast.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a huge radius. Have speed and be careful about the hole. Yeah, it's all about
the speed.
The first time, go only here and stop.
Yes. Okay. So I'll get a feel for it.
Yeah.
So a little trial run. Not jumping. Have my helmet now. Gonna go grab the bike. My heart's pounding. Alright, yeah, I'm really gonna have to test out the brakes. Man, my heart just started beating 10 times faster.
Good.
I'm gonna need more speed than that.
Way more speed.
I need a higher gear. I was just rotating it.
I think we should go bike in the bike park is better. You will not kill yourself. This made professional bikers. So you have to jump this. It's 2.5 meters.
2.5 meters. Otherwise, go into the ditch. I really think I can. It's just people are psyching me out.
Crystal, what are your thoughts about Dave's jump?
Dude, I'm scared shitless for him.
Yeah.
There's a sizable gap where he could fall down between the ramp and the pad. So what if that happens? You know?
What if that happens?
And we definitely want to capture it, of course.
Of course, yeah.
The instructor here is worried. He doesn't want Dave to do it. I'm with him completely. And yeah, and Lucy is with us as well. And Dave still think he wants to do it, so yeah, he is one of the bravest people I know.
The thing is, I think I can, it's just everyone else is psyching me out, so...
I think he'll just do a few more trains, just to try and get more speed.
I think so, yeah. And not jump, we'll feel it out.
Okay. I'm really hoping he's gonna change his mind.
Another trial run, my heart's beating really fast.
Trial number 2. Wow, that was really good.
Speed was there.
Yeah, it's better. I think I can.
I don't want to say it, but I think you can. Like, from what I saw now.
After that trial run, I'm like, if I go full speed, I'm confident I can do it.
But don't change your mind on your last break.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, this is for all the cookies. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, Dave! Wow, that was mental.
Oh my gosh, you guys, my heart is racing so hard after that. I'm sweating like crazy. I could barely breathe. I was legitimately nervous and scared. I think people kind of psyched me out right before I did it. But the lesson here is confidence in yourself. Being situationally aware is very important. Overcoming fears, that's what I'm about. You're not gonna do the bike.
Oh, dude, none of us are
That's
crazy.
a good one. That's a good one.
Were you all scared for me?
We were.
Yeah.
Even our guide was
We're
scared.
basically peeing our pants.
Up on the ledges, we ran through the potential injuries that you could. We established that you wouldn't die,
Okay,
but you
yeah.
could break a lot of things.
I did have a little bit of ideas like that too, honestly, but these are the things you have to push aside Think positive. You guys.
Wait, look
What?
at it.
This is a secret chamber inside the blob. What is happening?
It's like a bounce house inside.
What? Okay. The people are disappearing right and left. What? He's standing up. Hopefully nobody jumps right now, otherwise we're gonna get smushed. It looks really dang cool in here. And you can stand right up. Little help.
Do you need help? Alright, I guess
Thank you.
I'm just watching him struggle.
Exclusive access inside of a blob. I feel like a celebrity or something. So we all had a pretty awesome afternoon of just experiencing new adventures. I want to thank Czech Tourism and the Ústí region for setting this trip up for us. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because I've got a lot more adventurous stuff coming your way. Bye for now.